My name is Jacob Tavares, and I am the manager of livestock business operations here at Parker Ranch. We're here because of the generations before us have kind of stewarded the land, stewarded our resources, and given us an opportunity to do the same. We want to make sure that this is looked at as a viable place of employment, especially for the kids from rural Hawaii Island, who grew up ranching, grew up in the outdoors, value this lifestyle.
I always wanted to be a cowboy from when I was small.
Fourth generation, Parker Ranch on my mom's side.
Everybody wanted to be a cowboy growing up. My dad is 80 and he still goes out and cowboys.
I'm a young rancher, so I feel like I am part of that next generation, and so I just would like to be able to promote and preserve our Paniolo heritage and hopefully into future generations.
Just on the other side of the ranch, we go all the way down to sea level. And so you'll be literally at beach level, at ocean level, grazing cattle there. And later on in the day, you can be at the highest elevation pastures that we have in the state. It's a fascinating place to work just because, you got to have horses and cattle and bulls that can adapt to all of these different types of climates.
It's a Pilina with Aina, your relationship with the land.
It means everything. Yeah, it means everything.
We just hope as far as the next generation goes that we're able to kind of create an environment and a sense of pride where people want to come in and work here and kind of instill those traditions, those values.